If you want to turn your video files into an anime style, in today's video, I will tell you how you can convert any video into anime style using just one AI tool. In Google, search for DemoAI and click on this link. Click on Start in Discord. You need an account on Discord to use this app. If you have an account on Discord, simply click on Accept Invite and it will show you this type of dashboard. From the given options, select why you want to join this community. I'm going to select the first option. Click on Next, then select your age. Click Next, then choose your role. Click Next, select your language, and click Finish.
After this, it will show you this window. Scroll down the left sidebar. There are different groups available to generate video. In the message bar, write /video and click on Video. Now upload your video. In the prompt box, write anime, press Enter. Then it will ask you to accept the terms and conditions. Click on Accept Tons. After this, select Anime Style from the drop-down, then select Video Duration. Click on Start. It will take 7 minutes to generate your video. When it is done, click here to download.
If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the bell icon for more updates about AI tools.